I'm Montana Burr from Autistic Coder, and in this tutorial we're diving into SQL joins, an essential skill for combining information from multiple tables. Today we'll explore how joins help us link tables together, look at each type of join, walk through examples, and share some of the best practices for using them effectively. A join lets you connect rows in different tables based on a common field, like matching user IDs in a users table to customer orders in an orders table. This is how we pull related data together. Let's use two example tables: users, which stores names and IDs, and orders, which records each purchase and the associated user. This relationship makes it perfect for demonstrating joins. An inner join returns only the users who have placed orders. If there's no match in the orders table, that user won't appear in the results. A left join shows all users, even if they haven't placed any orders. You'll get null in the product column for those users. A right join does the reverse. It shows all orders, even if there's no matching user in the users table. This could happen if data is missing or was deleted. A full outer join returns all records when there is a match in the left or right table records. MySQL doesn't have a built-in full outer join, but we can simulate it using union to combine a left and a right join. Now for a brief explanation as to what a union is. The union keyword combines two SQL queries and their results. To write effective join queries, make sure your on clause is specific, keep queries readable with aliases, and only join what's needed. Start with inner joins, then use left or right when required. Now a brief explainer about aliases. An alias is a way to refer to a column by another name. Joins are one of the most powerful parts of SQL. Now that you know how they work, you'll be able to build more meaningful queries and get deeper insights from your data. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more beginner-friendly SQL tutorials. Let's keep learning and growing together.